Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is faithfulness. The key is consistency, Aquarius. Whatever stage you are right now, I want you to keep on pushing, showing up every day. Don't be disgraced. Don't be disgruntled. Don't feel as though you're not moving fast enough. You're at the right place, right time, at the right pace. As long as you do not stop, continue pushing forward because you're creating something great. I need you. And the world needs you. I commit to my mind, heart, and will, and I'm devoted to the needs of my soul. I trust myself, God, and in the universe. Things always seem hard right before the breakthrough. To see if you're going to continue to push through, I'm asking you to continue to push through. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.